Hey, what's happening, man? In this video, I'ma teach y'all how to deal with the trolls while you streaming live, man, because we all know they come in with the straight bullshit. And you know what inspired me to actually do this, man? I saw a few streamers talking about, you know what I mean, why they might quit streaming or why they don't like streaming, sometimes this and that and the third, and it all came back to them hoe-ass trolls, man. So I had to make this video, man. You know what I mean? Seeing how I am the troll god, you know what I mean? The king of the trolls. So look, man, step one, bro, is remember that it's all a show, bro. Everything on the internet, man, it's all a big show like a movie or something, man. When you finish watching a movie, man, you don't take that shit serious, man. You take it for what it is, man. So remember, man, everybody putting on the show, man, it's all chasing clout, this, that, and the third, right? So that's step one. As you remember, it's a show. You know what I mean? You won't let it get to you, you dig? Step two, man, you gotta be a god, man. Act like a god and act like they peasants, dog. What I mean when I say act like a god? Man, act like they words, bro, ain't even valuable enough to hold no weight, man. Just act bigger than everything they saying. Nigga might say some shit, you act like, man, you don't even got the right to say that. You ain't even big enough to say that to me, man. I'm too big for you to talk to me like that. I just act like God on a nigga. Fuck it, man. Number three, never let them see you sweat, man. Do not be emotional about this shit, man. Cause see, one thing about it, if they see you sweat, oh, they on your ass. For example, I got a red strip in my head. They might go in on that motherfucker, man. And it might piss me off, you never know. But guess what, I ain't gonna let them see it. Cause if they see that bother me, man, they finna tear my ass up about that patch, G. So I can't let them see me sweat, ever, man. And last but not least, man, go off on they motherfucking ass, man, sometimes. And it don't even matter if what you saying about them true. Nigga, make up a narrative, man. That's why you broke ass over there in your grandma's basement, playing Parappa the Rapper or some shit, man. Just whatever, just go in on their ass, man. And one thing I learned about going in on their ass, you go in enough, man, they'll change their whole tone. Next thing you know, they trying to be cool. Oh, man, I was just playing with you, man. It's all good. Yeah, I know you just playing because I'm on your motherfucking ass, man. Well, with that being said, man, that's just a little bit of game on how to deal with the trolls while you on live stream, you dig? If y'all need any more of this good game, just get up with me. I will be doing some coaching on how to deal with them hoe-ass trolls, G. I'm gone.